ready to unlock secure communication and verification on the blockchain. In this video, we're diving deep into how to sign messages on the Ethereum blockchain using Web3.js, empowering your decentralized applications with robust security features. First, you'll need to make sure you have Web3.js installed in your project if you haven't already. You can easily install it using npm or yarn. Just run the install command, specifying Web3. Next, create a message to sign. This could be any string of data that you want to authenticate. The first step involves creating a hash of your message using Web3.js's Web3 util.3 function. This creates a unique fingerprint of your message. Now, using your Ethereum account's private key, sign the message hash. Use the Web3 authentication function, passing the message hash and your private key as parameters. Remember to handle your private key with extreme care and never expose it publicly. To verify the signature, you can recover the Ethereum address used to sign the message. Use the Web3 authentication recur function, providing the original message hash and the signature as parameters. This will return the address that signed the message. Compare the recovered address with the original address that supposedly signed the message. If they match, the signature is valid and you've successfully verified the authenticity of the message. Signed messages are incredibly useful for authentication, authorization, and secure data transfer in decentralized applications. They enable you to create login systems, verify transactions, and much more. By implementing these methods, you can create more secure and trusted interactions within the Ethereum ecosystem.